Hi guys, let's look at the word topic. Topic is a word or words that everything in a text is about. So can you find the topic of the pictures? Look at the picture. We have apple, we have these cuties, and we have grapes. So let's see what the topic is. The topic is fruit. Okay, so there are three ways to find the topic. One way to find the topic is to read the title of the book. Okay, so let's look at this. This here says polar bears. Remember to look at the title. So what is the topic? The topic is usually one or two words. So the topic is polar bears. Good. Okay, your turn. Let's look at this right here. It says sled dogs. What is the topic? Remember, the topic is usually one or two words, and the title will help you with that. If you said that the topic is sled dogs, you are correct. Okay. Another way to find the topic is to read the headings of a paragraph. So what is the topic? Remember to look at the heading. So here we have see auto food. So that's our heading. So that's going to be our topic. Okay, what is the topic? So let's see. Remember to look at the heading. Growing up. Okay, another way to find the topic is to read the paragraph and find the repeated words or ideas. So words that are in there over and over again. So let's look. Find the topic by finding the repeated words or ideas. So what is being repeated? Right away, the caterpillar eats its eggshell, then it begins to nibble leaves. It eats and eats, growing bigger and fatter, and as it grows, it changes. Now the caterpillar has velvety stripes. So the topic is what caterpillars eat. Your turn. Let's see, find the topic. Okay, wolves live in groups called packs. A pack hunts together. Lost wolves can also join the packs. So what is being repeated?